Hi, I am Mahesh Kumar Sanmasundram. My friends call me Mahesh. I think that sounds easy. In this article, The Universal Theory of Resistance, I am discussing about why things behave normally and its nature of existence. Today, in this video, I am going to speak about gravity. Before seeing what is gravity, let us see some properties of an object. Mass. Reserved energy in an object from gravity. Example, pour water in a small container. Container holds only to its volume. Excessive water flows out. Similarly, mass transfers excessive energy to the ground, so weight of the mass always constant. When we see the mass as energy, definitely a question will rise. If weight of a mass is energy, why do we measure in terms of force? Energy. Energy is activeness of a body induced by external force against resistance. For example, when force is applied on a ball, the ball gains energy and is displaced. The act of displacement is energy. So work done is equal to energy. Force. Force is act of energy transfer from one body to another. When applied force is less than weight of a mass, mass resists. When applied force Fa is greater than weight of a mass, mass starts moving. Sum of applied force with respect to time is energy. So energy is equal to mass and velocity. When energy exists and increases, mass starts accelerating. So energy increase is equal to mass and acceleration is equal to F resultant force. On impact or contact, energy transferred. Momentum. Product of mass and velocity. How momentum works? When applied force exceeds resistance, object starts moving. As long as the energy exists and increases, object accelerates. Object keeps moving even after force is removed until all the energy is lost in the resistance. Inertia. Resistance of an object to change in its state of motion. Weight, energy, force, momentum and inertia are not internal property of an object. All are property of energy and its resistance to new energy. Mass alone does not produce any force. Energy. How energy works? Energy is everything in a body, so its weight. Energy must need a medium to travel. Energy travels through mass and carries the mass, velocity and acceleration. On contact it transfers to other body as force. Energy transfer is two-dimensional, force always exerted on an area. Activeness of a body till the energy is lost in its surrounding. Momentum. Existing energy in a body resists newly applied energy as long as existing energy greater than newly applied energy. So it's known as inertia. Now we came to an idea. Mass, force, momentum, inertia are property of energy. Now how gravity works? What we measure in kilograms is act of energy transfer. Energy accumulates in the form of acceleration in a free-falling object until object transfers energy to other object. Gravity is not force, it is energy. In this slide, let us see how gravity becomes potential energy. Energy transferred as force on each contact and accumulated force is received as potential energy. In this example, at first contact F is equal to F0 and the second contact F is equal to F0 plus F1. Similarly, at the end, sum of forces or sum of energy is equal to sum of energy transfers. So gravity becomes potential energy or sum of energy transfers. Energy or force cannot exist without a medium. Types of energy and medium are shown in this table. The mechanical energy is transferred through belt, chain and piston cylinder arrangements. Electrical energy is through cable, thermal energy is through fluid, and magnetic energy is electron movement. When we see all these things, definitely a question should rise: how about light and radiation? The light is known energy without a mass. Let us see in the next video. When I see all these things, property of energy, then the real question comes: what is mass? To my understanding, mass is just a vessel to carry energy or transport energy. Now I am confident enough to say there must be something moving and active above our head, and that is also tangent on earth, that something transfers energy to all the objects on the earth, that is present all over the universe, that ties all the asteroids, planets and stars together. Why not that something is space? Gravity is not internal, it is not attractive force, it is flowing space over a mass or extended inertia of a planet. Please see in my next video about light and time. Thank you.